Dear students, today we are going to solve the exercise of chapter number 2nd for class 5th. As you can see here, this is ITF's books of class 5th. So let's open chapter number 2nd. As you can see here, the chapter number 2nd is software and its types. So let's open page number 15. At page number 15 you can see here, this is the chapter number 2nd, software and its types. And now we are coming to the exercise of this chapter at page number 19. So here in first we have to fill the blanks given here. So first is what? Software is of two types. What types of softwares are here? First is application softwares, right here application, and then second is system software. Now come to second one. What things controls the overall activity of a computer? So there should be operating system. I am writing in short, but you have to write full with name. So this is operating system. OS controls the overall activity of a computer. Now this is third one. An operating system manages all what devices? All. Here we have to write input and output devices. Now come to the next one. Which program perform specific tasks usually related to managing a computer, its devices or its programs? So here should be utility. Right here, utility programs which performs specific task only. Next is the presentation software is used to present what things? So here should be idea, and next here should be concept. So this will be as the presentation software is used to present an idea or concept. Now come to the true false of this chapter. So first is word processing software like MS Word, WordPad or Notepad helps us in maintaining a document in a presentable manner. This is false because to represent the documents in a presentable manner, Microsoft PowerPoint is used. Next one. Backup is a process of shrinking files on a disk. No, it is also false. Backup is a process to restoring the files, data or informations only. Next one. DTP software. It means that desktop publishing software helps to arrange and store a large amount of information in an organized way. No, it is false because DTP softwares are not used to store any type of data. Next one. A spreadsheet software helps us to perform calculations and analyze data in an effective manner. Yes, it is true. Next one. Multimedia software helps in storing a large amount of information. It is false because multimedia softwares are used to play audio or video files and are not used to storing the any type of data. Now come to the next exercise, which is matchings. So at left side some names are given here like spreadsheet, word processors, graphic softwares like that. But at right side there is a blank boxes which we have to match with these left side keywords, and we have to fill the colors which are matching from the left side also. So first is what? Spreadsheet. Spreadsheet softwares are normally used to creating tabular form of data. So here should be Microsoft Excel for spreadsheet. Now second one, word processor like MS Word, WordPad. Here you can see Microsoft Word is there, so this is for second. Now come to the third one, graphics softwares. Examples for graphics softwares are here Microsoft Paint, so this is third one. Next is presentation softwares. Microsoft PowerPoint should be there, so you can see here there is Microsoft PowerPoint, so this is fourth number. Next one, compression. So any software is there which can compress the files. Compression means to reduce the size of the data or any file. So this is WinZip, which is used to compress the data of any file. Next is desktop publishing software. This is Corel Draw is an example of desktop publishing software. So right here sixth number. Now come to the next page of this chapter. Now there are application based questions. So first question is, Radhika wants to provide protection to her computer system against virus attacks. Which software will you suggest her to install? So she should use what? Antivirus software. So right here antivirus. Next one. Surabhi has made a project on water pollution which is quite lengthy. She wants to mail it to her sister for further improvement. Which utility program will you suggest her for this task? So reducing the size of any file, we should use compression process and we can use WinZip software. Right here WinZip. Now third one. Which type of software can be used for publication of a brochure or a newsletter? So here we have to write DTP softwares, means desktop publication softwares. Now come to the multiple choice questions of this chapter. So first is what? What helps us to create documents such as letter or reports? So letter and reports are created or could be created by using word processor. B option. Now next one, what software helps us to arrange and store a large amount of information in an organized way? So C option, database, because database can create a information in a effective manner or in a sequential manner. It can arrange the data in a regular way as in a form of ascending or descending order. Next one. Third, which program helps you to perform calculations and analyze data in a better way? So there should be spreadsheet softwares like Microsoft Excel. Next one. Fourth, what software helps us to create and display slides on a computer for businesses and educational purposes? So C option, Microsoft PowerPoint as in a form of presentation software that is used to display slides on a computer. Now come to the question answers of this chapter. So here the first question is, what is software? Name its types. The answer is, software is the collection of programs that are stored and run on computer hardware. Examples are of softwares. First is system software and second is application software. Next question. What is an operating system? Briefly explain its any two functions. So what is operating system? An operating system controls the overall activities of a computer and acts as a link between user and the hardware. The functions could be understood as, first one, it controls the working of all input. Here n is missing, but you can understand easily. Input and output devices. Second one, it runs the application software like Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Paint, etc. The next question is, what is utility software? So the utility software performs specific tasks usually related to managing a computer, its devices or its programs. Next one, what is the function of word processing software? So word processing softwares are like Microsoft Word, WordPad, Notepad. All editing softwares are known as word processing software. So the answer is, word processing software helps to create professional looking documents quickly and efficiently. Now the last question is, what is the use of multimedia software? The multimedia software is used to create video, animation, sound, graphics, pictures, text with a high degree of interaction. So the exercise of this chapter is now over.